Hi again. So let's keep going. And now let's start implementing this model bottom sheet. So let's go back to our application. And for that, let's go to the chat screen. And we have this function here. So we can start writing the code to show this model bottom sheet. So the function, it is named show model bottom sheet. And if I hover on it, it is a future. So it would be better to await it like that. And for the builder, it takes a context like that. And now we need to return something. Okay. So in here, we need to return our widgets. So in our case, we have a text, which is the chosen model text. And then we will have the model drop-down widget. So we have this text, then we have this drop-down widget. So for that, I initialize this row, and the first child, of course, will be the text to show the chosen model. So it will be like that. Let's import the text widget and add the const keyword here, like that. And we have an error. Let's add the semicolon like that, and that's it. Now let's save it and press here. And now something happened, but we cannot see it. So let's start fixing it. So let's add the first thing, padding here. I will add 18. Let's add background color for this bottom sheet. And now let's try. And here it is. Now you can see it here. In my case, it is rounded. And to make it rounded, we need to add the shape. And it will be something like that. So we need to add the shape. And we need to give it this argument, rounded rectangle border. And then we can specify the border radius. In my case, I used vertical border radius just to give it on the top. You can use different things such as only, for example, all, and so on. Okay, now I will save it, open it again, and now it is rounded. Now we need to implement the drop-down button, but I would prefer to make it in another tutorial. So let's implement it together in the next tutorial. I hope that you try first to implement it by yourself, then see the solution with me. See you in the next one.